Let's see what we got here. So I'm very happy with how the 1985 metallic gray on gray Corvette turned out. The engine rebuild went absolutely perfect. As you can see in the previous part of this video, it ran absolutely great and has been ever since we finished. All right, so now that the engine work is done on the 1985 metallic gray Corvette, it's now time to turn my attention to this beast. And there's definitely some work that needs to be done. Definitely on the interior, but not with the seats. Seats look in pretty good shape, and you know, the carpets look quite worn. This door sill, other than the crack right there, looks kind of okay. The screw's a little rusted, but definitely needs a new door panel and a new handle bezel. Does this work? Oh, that one works. And definitely needs some door seal work, and get that done. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one, you know, now. I might do something somewhat different than making it back to what it was. But I don't know. What are your thoughts? If you guys want to leave me a comment as to what I should do with this to move forward with it, and I'd like to hear what you have to say. But it definitely does need some work. I'm going to start by taking this off, checking all the, it doesn't even, checking all the electrical out that are in the doors. Saying about that, that doesn't look right. But the first thing is I'm going to get it off the jack stands. So taking a peek back underneath it, the training pan doesn't have any leaks around it, but I did notice that right there. It's got a little leak on the bell housing cover, but there's no leaks on the oil pan, so that's good. So let's get this guy down on the ground. See what we can do with it. Well, I do need a new front air dam. It's busted right there. Let's see if I can get zoom in on there. So it's busted right there. So, and it's busted over there. I'll get a new one of those, maybe. We'll see what this car will turn into. But like I said, let's first get it down on the ground and go from there. So the red Corvette, the red 1985, definitely needs some work in the drivetrain. Mainly with the drive shafts that go out to the rear wheels, the half shafts, and possibly the universals on the actual drive shaft itself. The transmission shifted hard, but I think it's because it's low. I'm going to check it, top it off, and then take it out for a test drive and go from there. But what we'll do is, as soon as we're buttoned up on the metallic gray 85 Vette, we'll get this one in the garage and start working on it. So on the 1985 red Corvette, I'm looking for ideas for it. I'm probably not going to get rid of it or part it out. But I want to field some ideas from you, the viewers, if you would put them in the comments of should I try and do a restoration on it to a daily driver, or turn it into a rally car, or, you know, I'm looking for ideas. So if you want to post them in the comments, and I'll go from there. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this update on the 1985 red Corvette. We're going to hold off on any interior parts until we get the drivetrain squared away, and then we're going to go from there. And if you would, smash that like button, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. It really does help out the channel. And if you want to be notified of upcoming videos when we post them up to YouTube, please click on the notification icon, and you have a good night. Thank you again. Bye.